In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money on the Kraken app. So there's basically two ways of withdrawing money. First, you can withdraw a fiat currency such as euro, pound or dollar. Second, you can withdraw a cryptocurrency to another wallet. I'll show you how to do both, starting with a fiat currency. So if you just want to withdraw to your bank, for example, to do that, you will need to first sell the crypto. So go to portfolio in the bottom. For example, I have some Bitcoin, so I could go and sell the Bitcoin by clicking trade, then Bitcoin and sell, and then I will have it in cash. So that's euro down here. Now from there, you want to go and click transfer and then click withdraw. So that's the same for both cash and crypto. Now here you make the decision that you want to either withdraw cash to your bank account or crypto to another wallet. So if I go to cash, I can just select my euro, and then here I can select a bank transfer method. So I'll do SEPA. Now from here I can choose how much I want to do. Now I already have connected a bank account, but what you can do is add a new bank account if you haven't yet. And from there, if I now click continue and then click confirm, it will now be withdrawn to my Revolut account in this case. And then if you want to do it with crypto, also click transfer, withdraw, and then here go to crypto, find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, for example Solana, and then here if you already have the withdrawal address that you used before, just select it. If you don't, just click add withdrawal address. Here paste in the address, give it a nickname, and click add withdrawal address. Then you can select it from the list here. You can then choose how much you want to send, for example 10 euros, and then click again continue, and then click confirm, and then you will have withdrawn the crypto. So that's how to withdraw money from the Kraken app through either cash or crypto. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.